Let me guess. You're looking for some Cricket Wireless network data 5G speed tests. Awesome. Because in this video, I'm going to be going over how fast is the Cricket 5G network. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie. And on this channel, I'm typically talking mobile tech. So today, guys, without further ado, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to roll some 5G speed tests on the Cricket Wireless network. Well, hey there, guys. We're going to go ahead. We're going to do our first 5G speed test on the Cricket Wireless network. And the tower is right there. And as you can see, the reception, full bars on Cricket 5G. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to do that speed test here. Let's see what we get. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to do it again here. All right, guys, that concludes this tower test. So guys, a little teaser for you. If you haven't caught my latest vlog over on the EB3 Vlogs channel, that tower was actually performed at the hotel that I was staying at. Anyway, guys, on to the next test here. All right, guys, we are at the next tower here. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, there it is. We have full bars of service on the Cricket 5G. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this speed test going here. And let's see what we get. Well, it's definitely better than the last tower that we were at. I don't know if I would call this truly 5G, but it's definitely better than our last test. All right, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to do it again here. All right, well, it doesn't look like this time we're going to break 100. That upload, though, seems pretty consistent. All right, guys, and that is what we got. All right, guys, we were at the next tower location. Let me show it to you. So this one's a little hard to see, but it's right there. All right, and we do have the Cricket, the 5G. So let's go ahead, guys, and we're going to do speed test here. Now, this generally is a more heavily congested area, so I'm kind of curious on the results for this, especially the upload. Not actually too bad. All right, guys, let's do it one more time here. It is very interesting. It started off really slow and then it tried to climb up. So yeah, you can tell, guys, that this tower is definitely congested even with the 5G. But overall, that's what we get. And now, guys, I have some random Cricket Wireless 5G speed tests that were performed while I was driving. So guys, I hope you enjoyed those Cricket Wireless 5G speed tests that I performed. And honestly, it was kind of a mixed bag for me. But in future videos, guys, we're going to be going over more of the 5G talk. This video was basically just to cover the speed tests. So I had the opportunity, wanted to get this one out of the way. Actually didn't have to travel as far for this one. So it was very good. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, there's been quite a few who have actually put that to the test. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. You're thinking to yourself, man, Eddie, awesome. Thank you so much for the content. I encourage you to check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all of my future videos. So guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Like I said, guys, stay tuned to the channel. If you're a big fan of cricket, definitely stay tuned because I got a lot of cricket videos that are in the works and you won't want to miss those. All right, guys, and until next time.